Okay, guys, so I am going to show you a really cool hack today. I often play on the theme of one, saving time, and two, not having to have any major skills when it comes to graphic design or tech. You can still promote your business and create products very, very easily using things that have already been created and then simply editing them for your niche and for your business. So, with that being said, today I am going to teach you a really quick and easy way to make your own social media. So, of course, we are going to be using Canva. So, I'm going to go ahead and pull that up here. And as usual, we are going to combine this with Creative Fabrica. Out of all of the different websites where you can go get pre-made templates and graphics and fonts, Creative Fabrica has got to be the best bang for your buck. You can also get similar things off of Creative Market and Etsy. But as I've mentioned several times, this is my favorite one to use. The investment is only $47 for the entire year, and you're going to make your money back, 100 times over by the time you're done with these trainings. So, with that being said, what I want to do is take a look first at the Pinterest templates, and you can just type in Pinterest templates Canva, and they will populate here. So as you can see, there are so many ready-made professional looking pins for you to choose from. Whether you are a recipe blogger, you have products, you have courses, doesn't matter your niche, you're going to be able to find something here that you can edit and make work for you. So that being said, I'm going to open up a couple of these that I think you may want to use. Now, I have a couple of blog posts that I want to create Pinterest pins for. This is also another good one. We'll open up that one. Quite often you'll be able to find templates that are already on brand for you. I actually like that one as well too, so I'm going to open that. They have Instagram ones, basically whatever social media platform you want, you're going to be able to find something that's going to work. So I'm just going to take some time to scroll through these and find a couple that I want to edit, and I will be right back. So once you have downloaded your files, you're going to extract them all. And then for most of them, what you're going to wind up getting is a PDF, which you will open and then just click on the button to access your templates here, which are going to open them up in Canva. So now that we have these here, okay, so now here is where it gets fun. You can use your custom designs. You can see here on the side, I have some custom images for ritual baths for my content. The other thing that you can do, and I've mentioned this before, is simply go into the photos or the videos that Canva has, free to use stock photos. You can find other stock photos on Creative Fabrica, Creative Market, Etsy, and a number of other sites like Pexels offer some free to use as well. So I've gone ahead and uploaded a couple of here that I got from Pexels, and we're going to use those for to make the content. So I chose to go with some video. So I'm just going to take it and I'm going to drag it over here. I'm going to edit all of the other parts for my business. So here we'll take this and I'll move it up. That way I'm not having to fight with the video, which it turns out I might still have to fight a little bit. So I'm just going to move it up here for now. I'm going to click on it and I'm just going to simply enter my website. I'm going to change the font color so that it shows up. And then I'm also going to go into effects and I'm going to lift this so it makes it pop. Now here is where I'm going to utilize my keywords. So here I'm just going to write full moon, whoops, full moon bath. And then I'm going to minimize the text so it all fits on one line. And then I'm going to take a look at my keywords and see what else I can possibly use, including bath salt recipe. And again, I'm going to minimize the text a little bit here. And I'm going to take a look at my keywords and see if there's anything else I can fit in there. So what I'm going to do is actually delete that, and I'm going to add ritual on the end here. And then I'm also going to edit the line spacing, bring those words a little closer together. And then I'm going to make sure that I have that centered. And you can also add some other fun little elements in here now if you wanted to as well. So you'd simply go up to elements, and maybe I'll just type moon here and see what we have. So maybe I want to take something like this, and I'm going to hold control, which allows me to drag it without it trying to go into spots where it doesn't belong. So I like that. I'm just going to move my text over a little bit more because it's a little too crowded. There we go. And at this point too, I might also want to grab my logo. Uploads. Where are we here? Okay, just for the sake of saving time, just won't put my logo into this one. Thought I had it uploaded near the top, but apparently it's no longer there. So we've got our website. You can go ahead and you can edit your text colors and stuff as well if you wanted to. I'm just going to leave that as is. But you can go through and edit each one of these utilizing a different picture and some different keywords, which is going to help get your content found. So I hope you guys found that helpful. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to ask. And I'll see you guys in the next training.